If you want to connect USB flash drive to the Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then in that case, if you have a USB-C flash drive, then you can just simply connect it to the USB-C port that we have at the bottom of the phone. But if you have a USB-A flash drive like I do over here, then in this case you will need to use a little adapter that converts USB-A to USB-C so that we can actually connect it to the phone. So once you get the adapter, they are, for example, on Amazon website and some other websites as well, similar websites, and they are fairly cheap. So we're gonna connect it to the phone. There we go. And once you connect, as you can see, we have this little information and the notification that the connection was done. You can, for example, go into the notification in order to tap on Explore, or you can, let's say, open the file manager in order to access the USB storage. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.